Mr. Speaker, sir, first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Shri Adalbert Nongrom, Honorable MA of North Shillong, for raising this half-an-hour discussion on the Rules 49.1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business under the caption Hoai ka kandailat ka de ka jaka bajuan kit ya ki badime ni klem to lanet penyar ngide ya kanet aja. I just want to make one clarification, sir, regarding my reply on this start question 21. That I stand with my reply that no, sir. That is number one. And number two, I want to spell out what is the whole scenario in the state of Meghalaya and what action have the government do and what we will take as the community so that this type of thing could be prevented. Mr. Speaker, sir, according to Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956, activities such as maintenance of brothels or soliciting customers are punishable offense. However, the need of the hour is to address the issue through human approach. However, the Supreme Court of India in Kaurav Jain versus Government of India 1997 has observed that it is the duty of the state to rehabilitate the sex worker. It has held that therefore it is the duty of the state to come to their aid to retrieve them from prostitution, rehabilitate them by lending them a helping hand to lead a life with dignity of person, self-employment through provision of education, financial support, develop marketing facilities as some of the major avenue on this behalf.